Hello friends at home. In this video we will be doing today's religion lesson. Our lesson today is our chapter 13 review. We will be talking about everything that we've learned so far in chapter 13 because tomorrow you'll be taking your chapter 13 test. So the friends here in the room have torn out page 205 and 206 so that they can take it home with them. You are already at home, so you may either tear yours out to help you study or leave it right in your book so that you can study tonight before your test tomorrow. I'm going to wait till I hear a friend humming. I'm going to wait till that friend stops humming. Jacob, what's your question? No. All right, so I'm on part A. It says draw a line to connect the parts of each sentence. Okay, so I'm going to read the first part of the sentence and then I'll read the second parts over here and we'll connect them. And for this first one, I'm going to draw a circle around it. Remember, I always have you draw a shape. That way, even if your lines get a little hairy canary, I can still tell, okay, the two circles, they meant to connect, and then I can tell if you got it correct or not. So the first one says, Jesus promised to send blank. When Jesus left, did he promise to send God's love, the Holy Spirit, with us, or follow Jesus? Beckett? The Holy Spirit, you got it. So go ahead and circle the Holy Spirit and then connect your circles, okay? For the next one, I'm going to put a square around it. So you can go ahead and put a square. And it says the Holy Spirit helps us what? The Holy Spirit helps us God's love. The Holy Spirit helps us with us. Or the Holy Spirit helps us follow Jesus. Austin?
Follow Jesus.
You got it. So I'm going to put a square around follow Jesus. And then I'll connect my squares. Number 3 says the Holy Spirit helps us grow in blank. The Holy Spirit helps us grow in blank. And I'm going to put a triangle on that one. The Holy Spirit helps us grow in God's love. Or the Holy Spirit helps us grow in with us. Amelia? God's love. You got it. So I'll put a triangle around God's love, and then I will connect my triangles. And the last one here is kind of a gimme, but just to make sure, I'm going to put an X on this one. X marks the spot. It says the Holy Spirit is always with us. Is that correct, Isaac?
Yes.
Yes, so I'm going to put an X on both of those and then connect my X's. All right, for part B, it says circle the words that name choices the Holy Spirit helps people make. So Victoria, number 1 says, Gabby will blank at home. Gabby will help at home, or Gabby will be lazy at home?
Gabby will help.
Yeah, the Holy Spirit will help you help at home.
And that's what my cousin does.
All right, number 2, Mateo says, okay, thank you. Number 2 says, Jose will blank when he plays with his friends. Will the Holy Spirit help him cheat or be fair? Be fair, you got it. Number 3, Jacob says, Kim will blank at Mass. Will she play at Mass or pray at Mass? Pray, you got it. And the last one there, Sage, says David will blank at school. Will David listen or not listen? Listen. Good job. The Holy Spirit helps us do all those things. Help, be fair, pray, and listen. Go ahead and turn now to the back. Before we do our draw and write about it, I want to jump down to this part D. It says write the words that are missing from this part of the prayer. So we have glory be to the blank, and to the blank, and to the blank blank. Blake, glory be to the... Glory be to the... Help them out, Brooklyn. Father. Go ahead and mask up. And we need an uppercase F because we're talking about God our Father. F-A-T-H. E-R. So we have glory be to the Father and to the blank. Emily? Son. And it's going to be a capital S. And it's S-O-N, like the child son, not S-U-N, like the star, the sun. All right, so we've got glory be to the Father and to the Son and to the blank blank. Ava June?
Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit. 2 words, both uppercase. Holy is H-O-L-Y. Spirit is uppercase S-P-I-R-I-T. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit. And then we know the prayer goes on, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, a world without end. Amen. All right, now jumping back up to part C, it says draw or write about one way that St. Dominic Savio was a peacemaker. Remember, what did he do? Beckett?
He stopped the fight.
He stopped friends from fighting. You got it. So draw a picture of that for me here. And boys and girls at home, when you're done, you're all set with religion, make sure you study tonight. And boys and girls here in the classroom, when you're done, these can go in your folders to take home and study for your test tomorrow. Goodbye, friends at home.